In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and review journal entries fast in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever struggled to quickly locate journal entries or needed to review them for month-end close or an audit, this process will save you a lot of time. We'll walk through how to pull up a focused journal report, customize it, and make sure you're only seeing the journal entries you actually care about. First, go ahead and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, and so on. From that left menu, click on the option labeled Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of the standard and custom reports you can run on your data. Once you're on the Reports page, look for the search box near the top. This is a really handy way to jump straight to the report you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search field and start typing the word Journal. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. When you see the journal report appear in the list of suggestions, click on it to open the report. Now that the journal report is open, we're going to customize it so it focuses specifically on journal entries. At the top right of the report, look for the button labeled Customize and click it. This opens up a panel with a variety of options that let you narrow down what you see. Start by setting your date range. Think about what period you want to review. It might be this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom start and end date. Adjust the date fields or choose a preset period so the report only covers the time frame you're interested in. Next, scroll through the customization options until you find the Filters section. Within Filters, look for the drop-down labeled Transaction Type. Open that drop-down and select Journal Entry. This step is crucial because it tells QuickBooks to include only true journal entry transactions in this report, instead of every type of transaction that might appear in the journal. You can leave the other settings as they are, or refine them further later on. Once you're happy with the date range and the transaction type filter, go ahead and click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the page and display a list of all journal entries that match your filters. From here, you can scan through them, click into individual entries to review details, and quickly verify that everything looks accurate for the period you selected.